Hi, my name is Sandro with SignalFire, and I'll be showing you in this video how to replace the battery inside of a Ranger. So first, you're going to have to disconnect the battery. There are 3 screws located around the circuit board. Simply remove those 3 screws. And after you remove all those 3 screws, you can take the circuit board and put it aside. The battery will come out, and I want you to also notice on the battery there is a date code. So it's important to know that if the Ranger has been sitting for several months, that there's a phenomenon called depassivation. So the battery may become passivated, and therefore just simply connect the battery and then let the Ranger boot a couple times. It may take 20-30 minutes to depassivate the battery. There is an option if you have external DC power. We do have a DC to DC module that you simply insert in the battery compartment of the Ranger and connect it to where the battery input is located on the circuit board. So this gives you the option of having external power, and if you do have available of DC power nearby, instead of using the SignalFire battery. So this is how you replace the battery inside of a Ranger. Thank you.